I come from an Army background. I was in the Army for 7 years. While I was there, I was primarily an infantryman. But while doing that, I played many roles with supply sergeants, shipping and receiving in the Army also, to make sure that our units had the equipment that they needed so that they could be battlefield ready. I'm Michael Dow. I'm one of the material handlers. I do the picking, receiving, and shipping of KEB products. So shipping and receiving, they do play probably one of the most vital roles of our company. They do set the pace. If we don't have product, if they can't receive in products, we can't make new product. Here at KEB, yes, we take in raw materials like bar stock and we turn it into fresh product like magnet housings. And our line from bar stock to cutting to the machine shop, it stays all in-house for a higher quality. My daily routine will consist of making sure that there were no issues from the previous night, and if there were, I would go through and I would handle those discrepancies. From there, we go through our replenishments for the warehouse to make sure that everyone has their needed equipment, needed fixed location items like nuts, bolts, and screws. Sitting at a computer might be fun for some, it might be even enjoyable, but I like to move. I like to walk around, stretch my legs, and being a handler allows me to do that. It allows me to interact with everyone. I love being able to go through different departments, seeing the people, seeing the parts, where they're going, and seeing how they interact with one another. It's one of my more fulfilling parts of the day. Here at KEB, I enjoy the variety of things. Even though one might wear a lot of hats here, and it might be stressful for some, but for me, I thrive under that type of pressure, and I enjoy it throughout the day. It just lets me feel satisfied that I'm doing a big part for the company. You see the same faces at the same stations, and you can build a camaraderie. You know who you're working with, you know what products are going to which person, and that allows you to care a little bit more. It's just not a number. We have our tools and our computers to help us, but it comes down to human intervention to make sure that quality is at its highest that we can have it. As a company overall, our operations really never stop. We have employees that come in at 5, and we have employees that stay late until 1 or 2 in the morning, so operations really do never end here. So KEB is growing as a company overall. I know when I started, their goal was to increase 10% every year, and I think that we are meeting that in terms of the amount of employees that we have, the amount of product that we can push out. So because of that, we're looking to fill in more and more roles, not only handlers and shipping and receiving, but people as a whole to assemble, to make, to machine. All those roles are vital for KEB as a company to grow.